Hi guys, Jay here, and welcome to another video. This is my channel, Make Money with Video, where I show you lots of different ways how to make money using different video apps on different social media sites. But today's video, guys, we're going to look at how you can get Create Studio discount, guys. Now, this is Create Studio. You can do live action videos. You can do animation, 3D characters, 2D characters, doodle sketch videos, explainer videos, um, video ads, social content. It's all inside, guys. Yeah. And look, you get these sort of like 3D Pixar looking characters with all these cool backgrounds. And it's got over 120 reviews, 5-star on Trustpilot. So that's great. Yeah. But look, you can make these sort of videos, promotional videos. You can come over here, guys, and you can watch these 3D explainers, these characters, yeah? These cost a lot of money to make, guys, but you can do them all within a couple of minutes, and you don't need much experience, guys. I'm going to show you in a minute, yeah? They make lots of templates for you each month, which means all you have to do is just tweak a few little things, download it, and then you can sell them, guys. You can go to places like Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, yeah, places like that, guys. And look, you've got all these different categories. Like you can YouTube intros and outros, lower thirds, guys. It is a brilliant piece of software, guys. Yeah, and it just looks so good. You get other apps out there, guys, what look a bit like cheaply made, but this they're updating it all the time, and you can do it for your uh, different like social medias, like your square videos, your landscape, your vertical. So you can upload to TikTok, you can upload to Instagram stories and stuff like that, guys. Look, scroll stoppers. Look how cool these are. Look how if you make these for a company, an ad, look, people are going to stop and read it, in there. Guys, and you can change all these different things inside it. You can put your how many likes you want. You can put your name, your description, whatever, guys. You can tag that if you don't want it to look like a love art. You can do what you. There's so much you can do, guys. Yeah, these doodle sketch. Look, you've got all these different doodle sketches. Yeah, you've got you can move the cameras, you can zoom in and out. It's got its own little video editor inside it, guys, which they're updating all the time. Like I said, it just looks so good. It's integrated with Pexels and Pixabay and audio, so you don't have to come out of it, but get all these different things. You just if you want a bit of a video, like a picture or a video, you just click on it and then you search whatever you want, you download it, you import it. That's how easy it is, guys. It's so simple. You can upload your own things inside it. Yeah, you can add your 3D characters all in this. And look, this is the interface. Yeah, look, you can customize it. It's like Adobe Premiere Pro, guys. You can do so much with it. It is really good. Yeah, there's so many powerful features. You can come over to this site, guys. It's called createstudio.com, guys. But I'm going to show you something, guys. Here, let's just go back to the top. Sorry, I'm scrolling too fast. If you go to the pricing, it looks quite expensive, guys. Yeah, but that's because it's so good. Yeah. Now it's $99 a year. That's every single year, just for the standard package, guys. Now they do have another package called All Access Pass, which is standard package with the All Access Pass, which is the better option, and which is what I've got, guys. It basically gives you more characters, more templates, and other extra stuff, guys. And they add to it every single month, guys. But you don't need this, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to give you a discount in a minute because this one costs $299 a year, guys. That's if you get it through there. But if you come over, if you go to the link in my description, guys, yeah, you will get it for a one-time price of $67. This is the standard price, guys. They might offer you a one-time offer, like an upsell, once you've paid for this, but you don't have to get it, guys. And if you do, it'll be for the all access pass, which will be another one-time fee, I think. But or it might be like a monthly recurring payment. But you don't need that, guys. You get a lot inside of this. Now, if you click on the link in the description, you can get it today or whenever you decide to get it for just $67. Now, I don't know how long they're going to let me keep this, but I think you'll be fine if you month Sunday. I don't think they're going to get rid of it, to be fair. But yeah, you can get it for $67. So instead of paying $99 a year, you just pay one-time fee of $67, guys. And I swear it is worth it because it's so good. Doodle Creator, 3D characters, 2D characters, templates, yeah? Let me just quickly jump into it and show you, right? Now, this is inside it. I've made some videos already. But if you come over to templates, they upload templates all the time, yeah? And look at all these different templates. You can use these. You can download them. You can create. You can, like this one here, digital agency funnel building, yeah? You can change all these. You can move things around. You can change the colors, the fonts, everything, guys, yeah? And just because it says digital agency, you don't have to use it for that. You can use it for anything you want. They just give you these as an example, and you can use them. You can tweak them. You can change them. You can even just, like this one for a mechanic service, download it, yeah, offer it to some mechanics, and tell them that you can add their logo and their description to it, guys. Same with anything, music lessons. You've got your beauty, you've got your doodle, you've got your cafes, yeah. I do this, guys, for a living. This is my job. This is my company, Roberts Media, does this, guys. I get these kind of apps, yeah. I get these kind of apps, and I go and I talk to businesses and offer them my services. Yeah, I offer them these videos. Now, if you go to places and you want to get these made for you, these like these 3D ones, they're quite expensive, guys. So businesses, it's going to save a lot. You can charge these to businesses and then make a lot of money, guys. Same with these promotional videos, yeah? Like your 3D explainer videos, doodle sketch videos. These cost quite a bit as well, and they're very popular. Stomp teasers, character explainers, but 2D. You've got your text animations, like your local business, like your photographer and your plumbers and stuff like that, guys. Your logo and intros. More 2D explainer videos. You've got your YouTube graphics. Yeah, there's so much, guys. So that is it for today's video, guys. Please check it out. I've also done another longer video of Create Studio Review, and I've probably got some more down here somewhere. But check it out, guys. Let us know in the comments what you think. Like I said, there's lots of different video creating apps out there. What might be the same price or a little bit cheaper, but look at the graphics. Like, for instance, there's a new one come out not long ago called Video Creator. Now it's really good, yeah. It's got lots of things you can do with it, guys. But take a look at the what do you call them? Take a look. Let me just go back onto here, yeah. Go over to the scroll stoppers section, yeah, and have a look at those, yeah. Now a scroll stopper is like these videos what look like they come out at you, yeah, like. So if you're on Facebook and you're scrolling down, yeah, they look like Facebook adverts, don't they? Like here, yeah. But they get your attention. They stop. Look, it looks like just a post on Facebook, but it looks like it's coming out at you. Yeah, like this one here. But you can change all these. You can edit them. You can change them for what you want. So, for instance, this one, you could put like a bird sanctuary in the background. Yeah, and you've got an eagle coming at you. You can offer a zoos. You can do all sorts, guys. Yeah, but take a look at other companies like Scroll Stoppers. Yeah, especially Video Creator. Now, I'm not dissing Video Creator because I use it myself and it's very good. But I'm just saying the quality. You pay for the quality, guys, and this for a one-time fee of $67 is definitely worth it, guys, because you don't just get Scroll Stoppers. You get you got your Facebook covers, you got your local businesses, you got lots of other stuff. You got YouTube, you got logos, you got stories, promotional, Instagram and Facebook, and then you got your characters videos, guys. But like I said, you can use these, or you can go over and create your own, start from scratch, and yeah. It's really good, guys. But yeah, it's worth checking out, definitely. The link's in the description, guys. I'm Jay Roberts. This is Make Money with Video. And until next time, guys, thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.